Welcome to Magic Kingdom. Let's do this. So we have gotten a very late start for rope drops, but we're gonna try to make through it. We got lightning lanes powered up, ready to go, but the first thing we're gonna do is go over to Mine Train. There is a little bit of a wait. I believe it's 50 minutes, but I really want these girls to do it. Okay, well, hold on. I really want the girls to do Mine Train today, so we're gonna head on over there, and then we're gonna have a little bit of lightning lanes. So let's see how much we can get done today, because we do want to take a break after lunch and head back to the resort for our little R&R. All right, so let's get going. I like that movie. I don't know.
Encanto?
Yeah.
It's like, dude, that like rock, like everything.
I'm like surprised, but I'm surprised. I think it's because she wore glasses. I don't know, because I'm like, why didn't that? Because that one had the best music. I'm like, why didn't it do as well as Frozen?
Yeah.
Like maybe because she wasn't as like princessy.
Yeah, like I didn't get that either.
Hey, you guys.
Yes, that's the Mad Tea Party. We're gonna go there later.
We're rocking and rolling. This is a good sign. I've been on here where the line has been this. It's right there. That's a good sign. Something we've never done on a Disney trip in all the years, all the times we were going. Guess what it is? My guess is we are getting Mickey balloons. So if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, my first daughter Scarlett passed away from leukemia exactly 6 years ago tomorrow. So in a way of remembering her, we really love to go to Disney with Scarlett when she was living, and one way that we're going to remember her is by buying we're going to be buying a Mickey balloon, and we'll use it, Lucia will use it, and then right before, I think because we're leaving tomorrow, we're hoping to give it to a child here. almost 50 minutes, which is not terrible actually for it. I really feel like the crowds are not bad today. There's a lot, like Ariel rides only 5-minute wait, so I think we're gonna try to do that. Teacups, we're gonna try to knock a bunch of these out. And then hopefully we have time to go back to the pool. We're really like, look at that. There's nobody here. Honestly are not that bad today. Not bad, but we still have lightning lanes. So we're finally hitting our first lightning lane of the day, Haunted Mansion. Alright, so we have not been here since Christmas, so it looks like they're under refurbishment here.
On a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Alright, we are just doing a quick bathroom break. Taking a quick bathroom break here at the best bathrooms in Magic Kingdom, the Rapunzel bathrooms. Lucia, what's been your favorite part today?
My favorite part.
What's your favorite part today? Mine Train?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan?
Yeah.
Okay. We're headed to do the Ariel ride. We just had a pretzel break, so let's go. Keep going. I don't know, we're always like walking past here. I don't remember ever seeing this here. It's like every time we come, I see something else that I haven't seen before. The change of plans. We left the Lucia, we left the Ariel line because it said it was like 35 minutes, and since we weren't even by Scuttle yet, so I'm like, this is gonna be a lot longer. I had originally booked Barnstormer, like a lightning lane for that. I know it's a weird thing to do, but I'm like, okay, what are we gonna do? So I booked it, and I'm like sitting there in the Ariel line, and I'm like, you know what? Let's cancel the Barnstormer because I saw Barnstormer was only a 15-minute wait. So I was like, okay, let's cancel the lightning lane. We'll rebook the lightning lane for Ariel, that way we don't have to wait. And now we're just waiting in line for Barnstormer, but it's only 15 minutes, so it should go by fairly quick. And right next to this, then we'll head over to Dumbo next, because we have a lightning lane for that. And then we're showing the girls Tron, because we've got like a little preview. They're supposed to do Tron this evening, and now they'll be able to see if they want to do it, because Guardians was like a little scary for them yesterday. So they're going to see if they want to do it. Here we go!
set max laryngitis la voce to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me Grotto Witch.
Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
Especially you in the back. Oh. This is so exciting. Tonight's the night Belle and the Beast fall in love. Well, at least we hope so. And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait. I think we have time for a quick rehearsal. We'll start with our Beast. Let me hear you roar. Now, everybody.
Now, you have the hardest part of all. Throughout the entire tale, don't move. I'm joking. You will be marching soon enough. Now, are you, mademoiselle?
Lumiere, was that you?
No!
Oh my goodness! What a wonderful surprise!
The pepper shaker!
Looks like he's up to adventure too.
Well, that was fun. I haven't done the Enchanted Tales with Belle, like, literally in 10 years, probably. But he was skipping. I don't know why. That was fun. Lucia was a little shy, but I think now that she's done it, we could probably do it again another time, and she'll want to play one of the main roles or whatever. So, okay, we are off to the Pirates ride now, and then we'll hit out the magic carpets after that. This is where you get the Dole Whip.
Oi, horse, this way.
Is that where the rock is? We're heading to the road.
Strike your colors, you blubbered cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or my murder get away with mine, you scurvy scum!
Where did Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Alright, we finished with Pirates. We went to get some shopping done. So I bought a cute little tank top. It has like the parrot on it and it says Pirates of the Caribbean. So that was pretty cool. And the girls all got a little something, and now we're on waiting in line for the Aladdin's flying carpets. And yeah, we just got a couple more. It's almost 6 o'clock, so I'm like, oh, are we gonna have time to do pool time? The nighttime parade does not start till 8:45, so we have a little bit. You've been waiting all day for this.
Where
We rushed back to the resort, we ate dinner, we decided to head to the pool, and we got kicked out, and now we're back in the room. I forgot to close out the vlog. So if you made this far and we're not already friends, please stick around, subscribe. We got a lot of Disney content on our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to give this video a like. It really does help support the channel. We'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I've been all